Waiting. By 2025, Raila Amolo Odinga will be the next AU chair. Take to the bank. I said it here the other day that by 2025, all the aspirants will be resting at home. I will be buying alone. Raila will be buying alone. That one is something you must take to the bank. Secondly, I've also heard a member saying that we have women leaders who are doing nothing in the August House. Very true. They are there, like if you talk of Karen Nyam. Hello? Doing nothing. Just swinging her waist and, doing nothing. When I saw some other ladies running up and down here in the name of fighting for femicide, making noise and hallowing. I don't know. We want to tell you, if you bring mayhem in the city, we will properly give you tear gas. Yes. We will make sure that you have full support of the tear gas. Amen? You cannot come here. You must know that our constitution, we are given the rights and freedoms of association. But you cannot make a problem, or you cannot find your own time to cause mayhem to the millions of people enjoying their time around and about the city by running around in the name of femicide fighters. Hooligans. Those ones are hooligans. Those ones are, I can call them swindlers and harlots. Running in the city in the name of, my friend, it is your time. Don't come here again in the name of Femi. My friend, you are running in the city like you are running in the village. We will deal with you squarely. We will cane those who are small buttocks like nothing. Thirdly, I said it here, that His Excellency the Fifth, Right Honorable, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the only PhD president in the country since 1960, is a game changer. A game changer. I said it here that he will one day bring son of Margaret Kenyatta on board. If you talk of Margaret Kenyatta's son, Uhuru Kenyatta the ex, is already a UDA member. Can you refute that? If you talk of His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, Amolo Uroganda, 002 member, UDA member. If you talk of Mbadi, the national chair of ODM, defunct ODM, 003 member, UDA. Go to Mombasa, Joho, Sultan, 001, is now 004 UDA member. Then you are saying, Oparanya, the best governor, former, COG, 005 UDA member. Then you are saying that Chamacha KK is falling. The government is not falling. You are the one falling. The government is stronger than the morning glory. The government is stronger than the morning glory. Amen? I'm telling you this. I'm telling you these things. Okay? I know you are not ready to say and to listen to this wisdom. I am telling you. Anybody thinking that His Excellency Samoei Ruto is going home, my friend, you are bedwetting. You are daydreaming. Go back to your sleep and sleep well. We will add you more blankets. Lastly, I want to tell these cocoons, these small regroupings, in the name of Kalonzo, Okiamutan, activists. I saw him running here with women, running with women like Okiamutan running with women.